hello, welcome to video number 6. So tonight we are gonna start painting, and we also got Ben picked up, what are these called? The light strips. We've got a colourful one and a non-colourful one for under the kitchen. I'll show you that one. So he's just installed it under here. Looks so good. Love it. And then we've got this colourful one. It comes with a remote, and Ben's gonna put it under here. So we have lights under there as well.
Hit flash. What do you think?
I love it. It's such a vibe. Ben's sticking down our mirror. So this is the door for our toiletry cabinet, and then we'll have a full length mirror. So we have power! Yeah. So exciting. Well, we don't have all the power yet, but we have a lot of power. Let me give you a little tour. So we have just parked the van at Dobrich Headland to make dinner tonight. It's so exciting. So we finally got power. This is our touchscreen dimmer switch.
Touchscreen dimmer switch.
So basically, touch it, turns off all those lights. So exciting. And then got the dimmer on there as well. So fun. And then we've got 2 switches here, and this one is for the lights under here. And then what's this one for again?
That's the water pump.
The water pump, but we don't have that installed yet. And we also have a cute bottle opener as well. We're just cooking up a Mexican dinner tonight. And under here I've got a switch, and that's the lights in the kitchen. So it gives us light when we're cooking. These are so cute. Ben has made bedside tables for us. So this is my side. And we've got little power points so we can charge our phones. And then Ben's one's over there, and they charge really fast, so I'm really excited about that. And also our fans are finally working. Yep. Finally. So we've got this one on at the moment because we're just cooking, and then the one at the back as well. So I've got a little remote that we can control our fans with. And the cabinet above here, we've got a little light switch which turns the light on to see everything in there, which is very exciting. And we're also still getting more power because we need to get our microwave plugged in.
Yeah, so we've got all the 12-volt stuff, which is what everything is mostly running on. So lights, fans and USB chargers, but we're still waiting to get the 240-volt stuff in. So we've got the inverter, but we're just waiting to get it all connected by an electrician so it can be all insured and certified.
And one more thing, we have another light. lights, which hasn't been installed yet. She's just chilling here right now. But if you turn her on, it's a light for the garage so we can see under there at night. And behind our cabinets here, we also have a little control panel, and Ben will explain everything because I have no idea.
So for our electrical system, we use the Red Arc battery management system. So it takes everything and it's all in, puts it into one system. So it also comes with a control panel. So it shows us our battery levels, our inputs. So when the sun's out or the car's driving or we're plugged in, it'll show us how much power is getting drawn in. And then it also shows us what we're drawing currently. So at the moment, since we've got a lot of stuff on, it's gonna show that we're drawing a lot more power. And then it's also got status and little, just more status and facts. And tells the time, which is also very handy when you're on the road.
Yeah. Okay, it's the next night. We're making more dinner in the van. I completely forgot to show you our fridge. How cute is it? So basically, she opens up like this. Got a little freezer up here. And got a few shelves in there, and it can fit quite a few drinks as well, which is very exciting. And a bowl of wine, of course. So far, so good. Hello, it's another night, and we officially have all our power. Woohoo! We bought some microwavable meals, and we're gonna test out our microwave tonight. So today we got all the power plugs installed. Got one up here in the kitchen. Gonna use our toaster. Got one down here as well. Where else? We have one in there, in that cabinet to charge things. Where else do we have? We have another one. We have one more.
One there, one for the microwave.
Oh yeah, for the microwave as well. Alright, our first meal is in here. How much power is she drawing, Ben?
144 amp hours, which is a lot of power, but
love that.
it's only for a short duration.
Meal 1 was a success. And now on to meal 2. And meal 2 was also a success. So we're gonna go enjoy these now. So much for watching it this far into our video. We've done a lot so far.
Yeah, almost getting to the finish line, which is cool. Get to see it slowly come together. So not much left to go, but still not yet finished.
Yes. Anyway, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!